Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates. What is up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you a unique way to hide a folder. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. Now I give you a challenge to find a folder on my desktop. As I expected, you didn't find a folder on my desktop. Now I'll show you where it is. There it is. Now I'm gonna tell you how to hide a folder like this. First, you have to go to your Start menu. Now type in Character Map and click on Character Map. Now scroll down click on the blank area, then click on Select, Copy, and close this window. Now make a new folder on your desktop. Now press Ctrl and Command V to make the name blank. Then press Enter or Return. Now press right click on Folder and click on Properties. Click on Customize and click on Change Icon. Now scroll to the right side and click on Blank Area, then click OK. Now press Apply and click OK. Now, as you guys can see, we have hide the folder. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.